Do you feel like you're studying endlessly but not making any real progress? Or maybe you've set goals in the past but struggled to stick to them. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for setting and achieving goals that actually work. No more guesswork or frustration. We'll cover proven strategies, tips to stay motivated, and how to overcome the challenges that get in your way. Think about the last time you had a big test or project. Did you have a plan or did you wing it? Now imagine how much better it could have gone with clear steps to follow. Here are benefits of goal setting. It provides direction and focus, boosts confidence and motivation, helps measure progress and celebrate wins. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry left an inspirational quote which says, "A goal without a plan is just a wish." Now let's introduce the SMART method. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break these down with examples. 1. Specific. Vague goal. I want to do better in math. Specific goal. I want to improve my math grade from a B to an A by the end of the semester. Second, measurable. I'll take one practice test every weekend and aim to score at least 90%. 3. Achievable. Focus on improving areas where I'm weak, like algebra, instead of trying to master everything at once. 4. Relevant. This goal helps me prepare for college and my dream career in engineering. 5. Time-bound. I'll achieve this goal by the end of the semester. Here are lists of types of goals students should set. First, academic goals. These include improving grades, mastering a subject, or completing assignments ahead of time. Two, personal development goals. Examples of building confidence, learning a new skill, or creating a healthy routine. 3. Daily habits. Examples are reading for 15 minutes a day, sticking to a study schedule, or journaling. 4. Long-term goals. Examples are getting into your dream college or starting a passion project. Follow these strategies to stay committed, motivated, and overcome challenges. 1. Visualize your goals. Use vision boards or write your goals down in a planner. 2. Break it down. Divide big goals into smaller, manageable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. 3. Accountability partners. Share your goals with a friend or mentor. 4. Celebrate small wins. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. In order to overcoming common obstacles such as procrastination, use the Pomodoro technique or work in short bursts. Also, for the fear of failure, reframe mistakes as learning opportunities. There has been several inspiring examples of students who set and achieved their goals, using these strategies to stay on track. If they can do it, so can you. Let's recap on the takeaways. Set SMART goals, break them into small steps, stay motivated, and never be afraid to dream big. What's one goal you're setting for yourself today? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use a little motivation. Your future starts with the goals you set today. Go make it amazing.